Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Solve each of the following pairs of inequality. Question number 14. Question number 14, exercise 3B, B, C. A over 4 plus 3 lesser than or equal to 4 lesser than or equal to A over 2 plus 6. Now we will make its two
We will
parts.
take A over 2 to the other side.
Which one?
A over 2 will take A over 2 to the other side.
No, first we have to take this part, this inequality, then secondly we will take this inequality, okay?
Okay.
So we will break this inequality in two parts. Okay, so now here 4 lesser than or equal to A over 2 plus 6. Now we can shift this 3 to the right side, and here it will be A over 4 lesser than or equal to 1. And here we can shift this 6 to left side. So it is A over 2 minus 2 lesser than or equal to A over 2. Okay, now here we have to get the values of A in both inequality. Here we will multiply by 4 on both sides, and here we will multiply with the 2 on both sides. Okay, so we can get rid from this 2 and from this 4. So it will be A lesser than or equal to 4, and this will be A. And we can change the side of this inequality. This one, A greater than and equal to minus 4. But here we don't need to draw on number line. Okay.
Okay.
So we will do like that.
Teacher, will the sign change?
No, sign will not change. We are not multiplying with the negative sign, negative numbers. We are multiplying with 2 on both sides. Inequality will change here. Okay.
Okay.
So we can write it like if I will change also is in this like form, A greater than and equal to A, 4 greater than and equal to A. So this one we can write like this, 4 greater than and equal to A, and this one A is already here, and we will shift this inequality to this form. Okay. Before we break this, and now we combine this. Okay. Now what is the next part? Is wait, I have to check something. Yes, the answer is correct. Or we can write it in this form, because mostly the negative uh, values are on the left side, and if we will write in this form, then the inequality will change in this form. Okay. Okay, now its B part is B over 3 greater than or equal to B over 2 plus 1, and then B minus 1. We will again break these inequalities. It is B over 2 plus 1, and this one will be B over 2 plus 1 greater than or equal to B plus B minus 1. B minus 1. Okay, now it is we can make the same denominators here and here also. Here we can multiply by making same denominator with here 2, here 2, here 3, here 3, and here 6, and here 6. Okay, now here it will, and here we have to, it is already 2, so we have to make here 2 in the denominator. So it will be, so we will do on the only on the left side. Here we have fractions on both sides, so here we have fraction on both sides, so that's why we multiplied on both sides. But here we have fraction on left side only, so we multiply on left side. Okay, now here it is 2b. I will write. It is 2b over 6 greater than or equal to 3b over 6 and plus 6 over 6. Okay, now if the same denominator we have on both sides, so we can simply write the numerators. This is plus 6. Okay, or you can take it by like here, you can do like this and move this, or directly you can cancel this, or you can multiply 6 on both sides, so we can cancel. Okay, or what we can do, 6 on, multiply 6 on both sides, and then we can cancel this 6 and this 6. There are two methods. Now it is 2b greater than or equal to 3b plus 6, and it will be 2b minus 3b greater than or is equal to 6. And here it will be minus b greater than and equal to 6. Now we can multiply with the minus sign, with minus 1. So we can make it positive, be positive. So it will be, when we multiply with the inequality with the negative number, the inequality side always change. So the greater and equal will be changed into lesser or equal. Now come to this part. This is b over 2. This one is 2 over 2. And here it is b minus 2. Here you can write it as b plus 2 over 2 and b minus 1. Now we can multiply here on both sides, b plus 2 over 2 greater than or equal to b minus 1. We can multiply here with the 2 and here both with 2. So here we can cancel, and it will be b plus 2 greater than or equal to 2b minus 2. Now you can shift this b to left side and this 2 to right side. So it is b greater than or equal to minus 4. Now you will multiply this with minus 1, and it will be 4 multiplied by minus 1. It is b lesser than and equal to 4. Why did I change the sign of inequality?
Because there was minus?
Because we are multiplying with the negative number, that is minus 1. With the negative number. Okay, if we will multiply or divide with the negative number, the inequality sign will be changed. Okay.
Yes. So
So it is b lesser than or equal to 4. Now what we have both inequalities. Both inequalities are, if I will write it in this form, so here minus 6 greater than or equal to b and b lesser than or equal to 4. Okay. So the answer will be in this form. B lesser than, but the answer is lesser than minus 6 only. Minus 6 only. Why it is minus 6 only? B, and then it is B, then it is minus, minus. Did we change any sign here?
No.
Because here it is plus, it is minus. This all are correct. And this side is 2, 2. And then we will multiply with 2. And then it will be minus 4. Here it is 4. Wait, I have to check something because I am getting different answer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here in the question it is not mentioned draw the inequalities on number line, but in solution for finding the correct solution we have to draw this inequalities. So these both solutions are correct. So better to draw it on number line. So it will be
Sure, but how will the number line affect the answer?
because we can find by number line the exact region where the both lines, where the both points are overlapping. So let me check. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, then it will be 5. And here it will be minus 1 and minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 6, minus 7. Okay, now if we will take here this b lesser than and equal to minus 6, b lesser than and equal to minus 6. So I have to draw b lesser than and equal to minus 6. This one. So it is equal. So I will fill this circle. And now second line is b greater than, b lesser than, and also I am checking this one. Okay, now here I'm also checking this one. B lesser than or equal to 4. So this is B lesser than or equal to 4. Now look at here. Where this region is overlapping. Where these both lines are overlapping. They are overlapping here. In this area.
Okay.
Here. Okay. only this area. So only we will choose that area that is overlap with both inequalities. So it is, we will write the answer like this. Okay. Now its C part is, and if we will draw this inequality, so here according to this, it is 0. I will write 2 and 4, and here minus 2 and minus 4. So according to that, a lesser than or equal to 4. A lesser than or equal to 4. So according to this, a is lesser than and equal to, if I will change the color, this. And then a greater than and equal to 4. Okay, so the region will be, this is the region. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have any confusion?
No, teacher.
Okay, then better to move next. Question number 14. It's C part. So C part is 2, 1 minus C greater than C minus 1 and greater than and equal to C minus 2 over 7. So now we will take two inequalities for this. It is 2 minus 2C and greater than C minus 1, and secondly C minus 1 greater than equal to C minus 2 over 7. This we can do 2 plus 1, and this I will move 2 to right side. It is 3. It is 3C, and we can divide by 3 on both sides. So we can get 1C, or you can write it like C lesser than 1. And here you can cross multiply, shift this 7 to here, and it is 7 greater than C minus 2, 7C minus C greater than C minus 2, and then C minus C and 7 minus 2. It will be 6C and 5. So C is 5 over 6.
First part, did you take 3 to the other side or did you multiply it with 3?
Here, this part,
Yes.
here we cross multiply 7 with the C minus 1. So it will be 7C minus 7. Okay, then I will shift this C to left side and this 7 to right side. Look at here. I move here.
Okay.
So it is 7C minus C, and then 7, or it has a minus sign. So on the other side, it will be positive. So 7 minus 2, that is 5. Now it is 5 over 6. You can divide by 6. So it will be 7 over 6, 5 over 6. So 5 over 6 is 0.8.
0.83.
0.83. Okay, now if we will draw this on number line, then it is 0. And
Teacher, the first part, why did we multiply with 3?
here, because we have to,
Yes.
we didn't multiply. we divide it by 3 for taking the value of C, because with C we have 3, so we have to cancel this C by dividing with we have to cancel this 3 by dividing with 3.
Okay.
Understand? Or I have to explain again?
Yeah. But teacher, can
Here
we move the 3 to the other side?
we can move also. We can move also here. I will
Okay.
wait. It is 3 and 3C. Okay, I also can move this C, so it will this 3 to other side and it will be 1. Okay,
Okay.
so it is 1 and 2, both are positive, so C lesser than, it is 1 and 2. C lesser than, not, it is not filled because it is only a lesser. C lesser than 1 and C greater than, if I have to make it in a middle, that is here it is 5, then it is 0 0.6, 0 0.7, 0 0.8, 0 0.9. Okay, so it is 0 0.8. So I have to draw here a number line, line.
Okay.
Then to right side, C greater than. Now what is the region? The region is the overlapped area. This one. Only this one. Okay. So we can write it's like C greater than 1 and 1 lesser than, we can write 1 greater than, it will be if we will I will write like this, so it is 1 greater than C and C greater than 0 0.83.
Okay.
Okay, now C part is 14, B part, that is D minus 5 lesser than 2D over 5 and less than equal to D over 2 plus 1 over 5. Now first take this one, D minus 5 lesser than 2D over 5. Secondly, we take this one, so it will be 2D over 2D over 5 lesser than or equal to D over 2 plus 1 over 5. Now we can cross multiply this 5 to this side and it will be D minus 5 lesser than 2D. So it is 5D minus 25 lesser than 2D. 5D minus 2D and shift this 25 to the other side. So it will be 3D lesser than 25. So now you can divide it by 3. So 25 divided by 3 is, find the value of D. 25 divided by 3 is 8.3.
It's 8.3.
Okay, now here we will solve this inequality. We can make it same denominator. Here we can multiply with 2. Here we can multiply with 5. Here I can multiply with 2. So it will be 4d over 10. Then it will be 5d over 10. Then it will be 2 over 10. Now we can write it without denominator because both side denominators are same. So we can directly cancel it out. Now it is 4d minus 5d lesser than n equal to 2. It will be minus d. Now we have to eliminate this minus sign from d by multiplying with minus 1. So d lesser than equal to minus 2. Now if we will draw this on number line, then this is 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And this one will be 1, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, so it is minus 1, minus 2. This is minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Inequalities are 8.3. I can further 8 and 9. So this is 5 and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 8.3. This is point 8.3d lesser than 8.3. And here d lesser than and equal to minus 2. This point. So this we can move it's more further here. And this one will be 2. This is d lesser than 8.3 and this one is d lesser than minus 2. Now the area is between them is this. This is. Okay. You can write its answer like 8.3 greater than d and d lesser than equal to minus 2. This way we can write it 8.3. Okay, question number 15 we will start it today, tomorrow. Okay. It has 4 parts also.